So I'm going to now add 2 cups of warm water. You may need a little bit more water, but we're going to start with 2 cups of warm water. Again, I like to use my hands. I make a well in the mixture, and I'm going to just mix that up with my hands. And you see that it comes out this nice texture. See? And look how much darker that is now that I've added the cumin and I've added the paprika. It really gives it a nice color, which is really what you're looking for. A nice color and a nice flavor. And this is about the texture that you want to have for the kibbeh before you start putting it in the machine, or you start shaping it by hand if you're choosing to shape it by hand. As you're working with the dough, it's important to keep mixing it. Occasionally it will dry out if you're working slow, and you may need to add a little bit of water at a time just to keep it this nice wet consistency. Now that we've finished making the dough, it's time for us to start stuffing our kibbeh, putting it through the machine, and preparing our workspace.